Today we are talking about Eftalia Ocean Hotel Alanya, Antalya, Turkey. The Eftalia Ocean Hotel is situated in the stunning Turkey resort, Antalya. The hotel sits within easy striking distance of the gorgeous coast, with a great range of facilities and comfortable accommodations. This hotel is a good choice for couples and families seeking a fun and high-value beach holiday. Direct access to Eftalia Island Beach Complex, on-site water park with children's section, 24-hour, all-inclusive, great selection of restaurants. Time Up family rooms are available. Free Wisconsin Fi is available throughout the hotel. The hotel's buffet-style restaurant offers a selection of Turkish and international dishes for breakfast, lunch and dinner, with show cooking, while the a la carte restaurants serve local and international cuisines. As well as the restaurants, there's a variety of bars to grab a drink and unwind. 200 meters from Eftalia Island and the beach, located across a road and accessed via a 150 meters underpass, 800 meters from the nearest shops, bars and restaurants, 4 kilometers from Konakli Resort Center, 18 kilometers from Alanya Resort Center. Approximate transfer time to resort 2 hours 30 minutes. The Eftalia Ocean Resort has a 24-hour snack restaurant, 24-hour all-inclusive drinks, and a choice of a la carte dining options. Aqua park with little and large slides, a kids club, and daily entertainment. Your all-inclusive package even extends to some bars and restaurants at Eftalia Island. A fantastic water park with 14 huge water slides such as kamikaze, twister, and boomerang, children's splash pools including octopus slides, a pirate ship, and a tropical Aqua tower activity pool, and relaxation pool, sports and activities including beach volleyball, football, and table tennis. And in water sports, bars and snack restaurants, evening entertainment at the amphitheatre, children's club and play area. The Eftalia Ocean Resort offers rooms with flat-screen television, Wi-Fi, safety deposit box, hairdryer, kettle shared pool with minibar, bathrooms containing a shower, air conditioning, balcony or terrace, day room cleaning service. The hotel has outdoor swimming pools, surrounded by an ample sun terrace and dotted with sun lounges and parasols. There's a separate pool for children with a water park. Plus, you'll find a handy poolside bar serving all kinds of refreshing drinks and light snacks. In the hotel, you'll find a gym and spa center offering sauna, hammam and massage.